I got dy dx equals sine of x over cosine y, and they tell me that y is 0 is 3 pi over 2. So I'm going to cross multiply here. It gives me all my y's on one side, all my x's on the other side. That gives me cosine of y dy equals sine x dx. Can integrate. Cosine integrates to a positive sine of y. Sine integrates to a minus cosine of x plus c. Now, I think that it's best to solve for my c value here, because I can do, this is my x value, I can do the cosine of this guy right here of 0 very easily, and I can do the sine of 3 pi over 2 very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So this is a y. So I get sine of 3 pi over 2 equals minus cosine of 0 plus c. Well, I know that the sine of 3 pi over 2, well, that's down on the negative y-axis, so I get negative 1 using the unit circle, equals, I know that cosine of 0 is 1, so I get a negative, comes from this guy, 1 plus c like that, and that gives me, if I add 1 to both sides, that c is equal to 0. So I'm going to combine that line with this line. Sine of y is equal to minus cosine of x. This is an equals. So I'm just going to sine inverse both sides, and then get y equals sine inverse of cosine x, and that's my answer.